friends, welcome to Miss Suman SG classes. Our today's topic is A-I family. When A and I, they come together, they usually make the sound of E. But when they come together, they make the sound of A. A and I, when they are together, they make the sound of A. Let's take a look at few words. A. A-I together will make the sound of A. A. He. L. Hail. You know that H makes the sound of H and L makes the sound of L. F makes the sound of F. A. L. Fail. So we have to join these three sounds. The sound of this letter, that is F. The sound of this family, A-I family, that makes the sound of A. And the sound of L. F. L. Fail. R. A. L. Rail. R. A. L. Rail. So let's take a look at few more words. A-L. Hail. B-A-L. Bail. R-A-L. Rail. N-A-L. Nail. S-A-L. Sail. P-A-L. Pail. T-A-L. Tail. M-A-L. Mail. Very good job. Now let's try joining the sounds using our inner voice and read the word. Hail, bail, rail, nail, sail, pail, tail, mail. Very good job, guys. Let's try changing the ending sound. So in these words also, the rule is same, that is, we are joining the A-I sound. But here, the ending sound is different. In these words, all the words had ending sound of L. In the next slide, some of the words have ending sound of N. This word has ending sound of M and one more of L. Let's take a look. G-A-N, gain. P-A-N, pain. R-A-N, rain. T-R, this is a blend. T-R, Tra-A-N, train. P-L, pl-A-N, plain. M-A-N, main. Cl-A-M, claim. Tra-A-L, trail. Very good. Let's try and read them using our inner voice. G-in, gain, pain, rain, train, plain, main, claim, trail. Very good job. So now we have covered A-I family that makes the sound of A, and also we have covered A-Y family. This family also makes the sound of A. If you have missed my video on A-Y family, I will attach the link in the description box below. I hope you liked my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.